In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your new name show up whenever Claude addresses you. This is great if you prefer a nickname, want to correct a typo, or simply want your conversations to feel a bit more personal. First, look to the bottom left area of the Claude interface and click Profile. This is typically where your avatar or account icon sits, and it might show your initial or a generic user icon. Clicking Profile opens your account options so you can access the controls that affect how Claude interacts with you. If your window is small, the icon can feel tucked away, so make sure you're looking right along that lower left edge. Next, click Settings. This brings you into the space where you manage your preferences. Think of Settings as your control center for personalizing the experience. It's where changes you make will carry through to all your conversations. If you see a small gear icon, that's the universal indicator you're in the right place. Inside Settings, go to the General section. This is where you can see the option that says something like, "What should Claude call you?" This field is your display name. It's the friendly label Claude uses to greet you and refer to you in chats. It's not an email or a login credential. It's simply how you want to be addressed. Keeping it simple, readable, and professional is usually best, especially if you use Claude for work or collaboration. In that field, enter the name you want Claude to use. You can stick with your first name, add a preferred nickname, or use a formatted version with proper capitalization. Avoid special characters that might not render well. If you're changing a name for clarity, double check spelling so the greeting appears exactly how you expect. You can always come back and tweak it later. When you're happy with the new name, click Save Changes. This is important because until you save, the update won't be applied. Once saved, you should see the change take effect right away, and your next interaction with Claude should reflect your new display name. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment. Minor delays can happen depending on your connection. That's all there is to it. Click Profile on the bottom left, open Settings, head to General, enter the name you want, and save your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more personalized Claude experience.